What's up, YouTube? We're gonna build a trampoline, 12 foot by 15 foot. Make sure you follow the instructions, because if you don't, you will fail. Next, what you want to do is grab one of these W's, and then on this one on the left has 3 holes, and the one on the right has 2 holes, one on top and one on the bottom. So continue doing that. Insert these bolts, washer first, then bolt. And then again, washer, and then nut. But don't tighten all the way, leave them loose. Just like that. Just put the screws in there, don't tighten them. Okay, so now next step is these. We're gonna take all these, we're gonna make a circle out of it. We're gonna connect it all the way around. Just like that. Take each one, slide it into that slot. You'll have the ring. Just like that. Next step. Alright, now going back to these are gonna be your legs, or the one we assembled the first time. And you want the one with the holes, with the 3 holes, you want that to your right. Now we're taking the legs that we built the first time. You're gonna put the leg right in that insert on the gold. Some of them might be gold, might be black, silver. Anyhow, the 3 holes are gonna be on the right, and the 2 holes are gonna be on the left, all the way around. Like so. I put 1 on each corner, as I can measure, not completely, but you want to stand it up, then add additional legs. Alright, so now you want to take the bolt, the washer, then again the washer and the nut, and you want to put it on the 2 hole, not the 3 hole, just 2 hole all the way around. Alright, should look like this. The next step is laying the springs all the way around. So you want to grab these springs, and if you notice, the one on the right is smaller than the one on the left. It's more inwards. So you're gonna take this and you're gonna lay it right in here all the way around. So you lay all the springs all the way around like so. You put the jumping mat letters facing up, and they all have rings on them all the way around. So you're gonna grab one side, and then you're gonna go across from you, connected on that side, then you go left, right, keep jumping from one side to another. Do not go all the way around, because it'll be hard for you to stretch it out. So you always got to do the opposite side of the side you already finished. So just like that. One end over here, one over there, and then now you want to go to the left and then to the right. But before you start the left and right, just make sure that the number of rings on the right are gonna be the exact number of rings that you're gonna use on the net, on the jumping net. So if you're one off, you're gonna taking it all apart. So don't do that.
fall out?